Hello and hi everyone. Now we have come to the most important topic of blood sugar, which is called HbA1c, hemoglobin A1c test. It is also called by the people is 3-month blood sugar test. So let's go and discuss it with Mission Parivartan. So first of all, the term we are looking for is the HbA1c blood test, not in a small letter HbA1c. HbA stands for hemoglobin A1c test, and of course it is a blood test that measures the average level. I repeat, the average level of blood sugar, means glucose, I can say it, okay, over the past 2 to 3 months. This test is commonly used to access and monitor the long-term blood sugar control in individuals, means person with diabetes. So now here is how HbA1c test works. Let's understand it, because this is the most important, okay. So red blood cells contain a protein, okay, called a hemoglobin, which binds to glucose in the bloodstream. Okay, I hope you are getting my positive point, because I am trying to make you understand in a very simple and impressive as well as a loudly, so that you can understand, okay. So the HbA1c test measures the percentage of hemoglobin, okay, that has glucose attached to it. Now the result of the HbA1c test are typically expressed as a percentage, okay. For individuals without diabetes, a normal HbA1c level is usually below 5.7%, okay. In people with diabetes, the target HbA1c level may vary depending on their specific treatment, okay. Healthcare provider can recommendations as well as also affect you, okay, but it is often around 7% or a lower to reduce the risk of complications associated with high blood sugar levels, okay. So regular monitoring of HbA1c levels is an important part, okay, of managing diabetes, because it helps you to understand where you are actually standing in diabetes, in a high level or in a low level or in a moderate level, okay. And after that, your healthcare provider assesses the effectiveness of the treatment that he is giving or you are taking, okay. That is very necessary to adjustment, okay. It is very necessary to adjust the maintain a good blood sugar control level as well as. So in summary, okay, the HbA1c blood test is crucially tool, means the powerful tool in diabetes care and management. It provides a more comprehensive view of blood sugar control, and it is very reliable test, okay. So comprehensive view of blood sugar control as well as aids in diagnosis and the treatment adjustment, and helps reduce the risk of diabetes as well as related to the complications can be occurred with your body. So regular monitoring of HbA1c levels is an integral part of the effective diabetes management and overall health for individuals with diabetes. So that is why I am telling you, maintaining a normal HbA1c level is crucial for individuals with diabetes to reduce the risk of complications which can be associated with high blood sugar levels. So here are some strategies to help you maintain the normal HbA1c level. But before trying to apply these kind of strategies, you must need to consult with your doctor first or a health professionals. So first of all, monitor blood sugar level with the help of HbA1c. You can do with the help of fasting blood sugar level. You can go through the laboratory where your blood sample will be taken, and you will monitor. You will see the result daily basis or in a monthly basis. And the second one is follow a balanced diet. A balanced diet means include a variety of food, portion control, and monitoring carbohydrate intake also. So control carbohydrate intake means carbohydrates have the most significant impact on the blood sugar level. Okay, remember this. So learn how to count carbohydrate and balance your meals to avoid large spikes in blood sugar after eating. And in this, choose complex carbohydrate. Let me tell you what is that. Opt for complex carbohydrate like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes. These foods have a slower impact on blood sugar compared to the refined carbohydrate. Okay, and the other one is limit sugary food and beverages. Like what? Minimize your intake of sugary snacks, sodas, desserts. These can cause rapid increasing in blood sugar, means sweet. It can also help to high the blood sugar level as well as if you have. Okay, so regular physical exercise or activity you must try to maintain your blood sugar level. Actually, this is going to help you a lot. Then none of this can more. And the other one is regular checkup, as I told you, with the help of fasting blood sugar, with the help of HbA1c. Okay, and the other one is medications. Okay, management. If you are prescribed medication, means medicines or insulin, take them as directed by your healthcare provider. Okay, not by yourself. Okay, ensure you understand how your medications work and any potentially side effect you are facing. Okay, the other one is stress management. You need to manage your stress. Don't try to take the stress more and more. It will worsen your blood sugar level as well as adequate sleep. Sleep adequate means you need to sleep well enough without dreaming just. Okay, and the other one is stay hydrated. This is my favorite actually. I call it stay hydrated. Okay, the other one is avoid skipping meals. Means skipping का मतलब क्या होता है? Skipping means if you are leaving your meal and if you are not taking the meal in the afternoon and you are taking the meal in evening, so you are skipping the meals. Okay, मतलब अपने खाने को बीच में छोड़ देना या फिर ज़्यादा खाना ना खाना. ओके, या फिर बहुत कम खाना खाना और खाना खा रहे तो सुबह का नाश्ता किया उसमें दोपहर का भूल गए और रात में खा लिया. कभी रात का भूल गए तो सुबह में नाश्ता कर लिया. दैट इज गोइंग टू बी रश योर शुगर एज वेल एज. ओके, and the other one is limit alcohol consumption. You need to limit the consumption of your alcohol what you are taking. So thank you very much for watching our video. Must subscribe our channel if you like the video, if you like my voice as well as